Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi A1 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then install your new default apps. I will go with Opera mini browser. When your app is ready, go into Settings right away. In Settings, you need to choose Apps section, scroll down just a bit and click on Default Apps. Then select one of those options, in my case Browser app. Tap on an app that you wish to apply, in this case Opera Mini, and select the Back button. As you can see, after all that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!